Now to breaking news. Governor Gavin Newsom has just activated the California National Guard to help with COVID-19 testing.
That includes several local sites. Once again, LA County has just reached a new all-time high for daily cases. Nearly 44,000 new cases reported today. That tops the record of 37,000 just yesterday. Also, 28 additional deaths and more than 2,900 people are in hospitals. With so many people testing to see if they have the virus, KCAL 9's Sara Donchey joins us now with a look at what led up to the governor's decision tonight. Sarah.
Well, that had to do in part with the fact that staffing has been difficult at testing sites. Basically, like any other industry right now, it's difficult to find people to work because there have been so many exposures and positive COVID cases. So that is part of what that announcement will help out with as many people continue to try and test here in Southern California.
The lines were long and patience short as dozens of people waited in their cars for COVID tests at Total Testing Solutions in North Hollywood Friday afternoon.
My appointment was for about 4:15 p.m. this afternoon, and I've been waiting for about 50 minutes.
But many are determined to test, even if there is a wait.
Testing has been a lot more difficult over the last surge, just in terms of finding appointments or finding places that'll take walk-ups, and also turnaround time has been slower.
LA County once again smashed records with more than 43,000 new cases Friday. More than 20% of people getting tested are positive. Two major universities announced Friday they were postponing a return to class in person due to the surge. Both USC and UCLA extended remote learning through late January. With COVID cases rising so sharply, experts say testing is as important as ever.
It's also really important at this particular moment to limit your exposure to other people in general, because you don't want to become infected and then not be able to get a test and then have to go through all of this as well.
We asked local leaders about whether they'd consider reopening mega testing sites like Dodger Stadium to meet demand. LA County Supervisor Hilda Solis responded in part, "I am working with our health departments to expand testing at our existing sites through evening and weekend hours, launching mobile testing sites and providing home test kits to community members where possible." Many say competition to get an appointment or a test kit is tough.
I tried making appointments, but didn't have very much luck about a week ago, so I did walk up, and yeah, I saw lines like pretty much going halfway around the block.
If you were to drive along Florence and Atlantic right now, you're going to see a long line of people that have the same issue that my parents do.
Joshine told us her elderly parents struggle to make an appointment online or get help in Spanish.
What concerns me most is the social distancing. There's long lines. It's cold. People are getting sick. Either it be the flu or COVID.
And the surge continues to take a major toll on healthcare workers. LA County has seen almost 1,000 more healthcare workers test positive since the end of December.
It isn't just about COVID. We're seeing that normal health services are being impacted as well. So now is the time to be exceedingly careful. You don't want to have to go to the hospital for any reason.
So in my reporting, I found out a lot of people are trying to find places where they can get testing, and there is some good news on that front. There is a brand new testing site that's been opened today by CORE. It is at Pierce College. It's a drive-through testing site. It's open from Tuesday through Saturday, 10 to 4. It'll be open for at least a month, and you're asked to pre-register online if you'd like to use that testing site before you visit. Reporting live, I'm Sara Donchey, KCAL 9 News.
All right, Sarah, thank you. And